जिंदगी में एक बात याद रखना, यहाँ पर कोई भी तुम्हारा साथ देने के लिए नहीं बैठा है। अगर मंजिल आपकी है तो खुद को साथ देना सीखो, खुद को मोटिवेट करना सीखो। With this beautiful quote, I would like to welcome you all on my YouTube channel, How to Speak in English Language, and this is Meerupa. Today I will tell you the importance of the book in our life. I can see nowadays people are making so far distance with books. Yes, but in reality, we should make these books our friend. I will tell you each and everything. So this video is going to be paramount important for everyone. So make sure to watch this video till the end so that you can get all the information about it that I'm going to tell you in this video. This video will not only help you to increase your knowledge, but it will help you to learn one lesson that you can't forget in your life. Yes. So first thing, you should make you should make friend with your books. Yes, because from the books we learn. Maybe I would like to give one example here. I would like to put one example here so that you can understand it very well. एक समय की बात है. Maybe you know Vivekanand. Yes, he is a famous student and he is respectful person for everyone. ओके, सो एक बार वो स्ट्रीट लाइट, जो पहले तो वी हैड नॉट द फैसिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावर, सो वो स्ट्रीट लाइट जल रहा था और उसके नीचे वो पढ़ रहे थे और उनसे मतलब कि पूरा बारात गुजर गया और एक व्यक्ति आया और उनसे पूछा, भाई यहाँ से एक बारात गुजरी है, क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि वो बारात किस डायरेक्शन में गई है? उन्होंने बोला कि कौन सी बारात, कब बारात गई? वो इतना ही हैड टू मच इंटरेस्ट दैट वन बारात went but he didn't focus. This is called focus, concentration. Full means in barat you can see there we use so many instrument और पूरा बारात गुजर गई and he could not break his concentration. So this is called concentration. This is called real concentration. But nowadays, mama, I can't do a study because they are making noise and our relative are dancing, so it is disturbing me, so I cannot do a study. How they were tolerating? They had not the facility of light, they had not the facility of anything. Although for fulfilling their dream, they were doing hard work and he had some curiosity. I can give you another example. Take an example of APJ Abdul Kalam. He was also too much fond of doing his study and he he used to often deep in the book. So what, why all people means if we see ascent people, famous ascent people, they used to give their all priority, sorry I can't pronounce this word properly, priority to the book. But what kind of thing, which kind of specific things are there in these books that all people are giving value to them? If we see any people's successful story life, they give their full priority to these books. So that is why in the first I have mentioned that don't make the books your enemy, make the books your friend. Inside the books, whatever has written, it can change your life. When do you study? Do study with your full concentration, and whatever has written in the book, focus and try to relate those things with your real life. And if you are doing any mistake, according to that, start changing yourself. Then you can get interest in reading that. Like whenever I do a study, I try to engage those things in my life, and I try to find, because whatever you are doing a study, whatever you are reading, may suppose that like you are reading one book, so someone has written, this book has written by someone, and this book, from this book you are learning someone life, that how he was surviving, how he changed his situation, how he used to deal with critical situation. So you are same, you can also write, your own book. You have also capability, but for this, concentration, interest, motivation is very very important, that you have to bring inside yourself. Yes, and every day at least 5 minutes read book. This is the human nature. Like in which environment you are living, you you are trying to persist yourself, uh, to do not get bad things from your surrounding. But if you start living with that environment, you will have affected, definitely little bit impact will come. Yes, so if you start reading the books only for 5 minutes, start from little and increase. Today read 5 minutes, tomorrow read 10 minutes, like this read 10 pages, 11 pages, and implement that. Then you can change your life. Vivekanand had more than 120 to 102 books, and he used to read that every day. Yes, so this is called interest, this is called focus, concentration that he had. So you can also bring, you can also become just like him. You are saying no, I cannot never become. Why you cannot become? Did you try? Have you tried? No, you haven't tried, and you are saying that I cannot do. So this is very bad thing that I have been looking in the people, that they don't try and they say that no, I cannot do. It's nothing like this. First of all, try, do hard work, and don't worry about the fruit. If you do hard work, मेहनत करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. एंड अगर आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं और मुश्किलों से सामना कर रहे हैं, तो हाँ, सक्सेस आएगी, देर से ही आए, बट सक्सेस तो आएगी डेफिनेटली. यस, दिस इज 101% with guarantee. I am saying that because it has happened with me. When I could not speak in English language, I was thinking that I could not, but I did it. Oath with myself that no matter what will happen, I will face this challenge, but I will do hard work, I will do hard work. And I did, and right now you can see me, I'm learning, and whatever knowledge I have, I am sharing with you, and you are also changing yourself through this. So if you have knowledge, so share with other. It will help them to increase, and it will help them to change their life. So if this video is helpful for you, so give one thumbs up, and I will be uploading such type of knowledgeable, useful, and commentable videos, so that I can help you, because I am here to learn and help the people. Thanks.